Good morning from a local state park, 45 minutes from Golden. We are hiking a named 10,000 foot peak behind me.
This is really nice. Yeah, I'll take that photo.
Not a bad call.
Yeah, I wonder. Maybe people like the pelt for stuff. Crazy class 5 move.
Just did some off trail, some bushwhacking. Denver out in the distance there. And our little ridge here is looking pretty cool.
Maybe they got extra funding. Or like people dropped it. That's definitely the summit. Huh. Nice.
Got the last little summit block here. Just actually some climbing for once. Luckily, nice little spot to drop the backpack off before we head up. Bryce executing what we call the tree maneuver.
Oh Lord.
Gotta put a lot of faith in that tree.
Oh my God.
It worked when I did it, so surely it'll work.
I might just brute force it.
This feels like the second flat iron.
Really?
Yeah.
It's kind of like this vibe.
It's like this, but for like 2,000 feet. However tall it is.
Just like ambient stress.
Yeah. On top of the mountain here. I'm actually not at the true summit, it's back there, but I've already abandoned Bryce enough, so don't feel the need to more. What I'm just thrilled about is it's nearly the end of September. It's 9 in the morning, which you'd think would be ideal conditions to not have a thunderstorm. And I just heard thunder in the distance. Yeah, you know, just go ahead and just use that log for help.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah. I would take another like OS like.
Welcome back to another day at Jones Pass. My first time here when it's dry and not completely snow covered. But instead of the skis, got a different option today. I do like ski touring, and this road is fun to skin, but this isn't a bad substitute. It's almost surprising to me here. This is usually a cat tracked out road in the winter. I thought there was maybe a road here in the summer too, but I guess not, just a meadow. Last spring I made a YouTube short on skiing this slope and the lighting was pretty poor. I couldn't tell the angle and I didn't go for it. It's gorgeous up here, but also noticing some weather's coming in. Oh boy. Weather's getting nasty quick, but it's rolling in. All these slopes here are east facing, so unfortunately they're just too avalanche prone to ski. Probably snow on the very tops of the mountains and only rain lower. You can see starting to get some here on the ATV and on myself. This trailer is really small compared to the size of the ATV, so it could definitely be a challenge getting it on. We'll see how well I can do. First try. Trash cleanup isn't always the most fun thing, but it sure helps when you got views like this.
Hello? Zach, you gotta come in.
Oh, that's the end.
Yeah, that's the end.
Oh, okay, it's not that big. Woo!
That's how you do it, baby.
One move.